Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start exercise 1.5. 1.4, no need to solve. And 1.1 we did. 1.2 in class we have to do because geometry box is required. 1.3 exercise already I have given, and now we'll complete exercise 1.5. Here real numbers are two types we have to learn: rational number and irrational number. So here we have to learn operation on real number. Operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? So I'm explaining addition and subtraction, how we can add or subtract an irrational number. Rational number though already we know how we can add or subtract. So here two irrational number I have taken, 2 root 5 plus root 5. Both are same type of irrational number. If these two are different irrational number, then we can't add. But if both are same type of irrational number, then we can add also and we can subtract also. If we'll add 2 root 5 plus root 5, coefficient of this term, first term is 2 and coefficient of second term is 1. Then take common root 5 from first term and second term. Then here we can write 2 plus, its coefficient is 1, so 1. So 2 plus 1 root 5. So 2 plus 1 is 3, then 3 root 5 will get. Similarly, 7 root 2 minus 3 root 2 equals to. Here also both are same type of irrational number. So root 2 we can take common. 7 minus 3, that is 4 root 2. For addition and subtraction, we'll do like that. Multiplications, if same type of irrational, then also we can multiply, and if different, then also we can multiply. But in case of addition and subtraction, both should be same type, otherwise we can't add or we can't subtract. See here, root 2 into root 2. If we multiply root 2 and root 2, then it will be root 2 whole square, square root, and square will be cancelled, and then we'll get 2, right? But root 3 into root 2, both are different type of irrational number. If we'll multiply root 3 and root 2, then root over 3 into 2, that 2 number we have to multiply, 3 into 2, that is 6. So we'll get root 6. Here one formula, once again we have to remind, that is a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. So these operations we have to use to solve exercise 1.5. Here rational number and irrational number, both type of numbers you will get. So question number 1, read question carefully. You have to tell which one is rational number and which one is irrational number. So I am rubbing this. Question number 1 will do. 2 questions I am showing. Rest of the questions you will solve as assignment. So answer 1. Check first one. So first one is 2 minus root 5. Tell it is a rational number or irrational number. Just check. First term is 2. It is rational number. And second term is root 5. It is irrational number. Rational number and irrational number we can't add or subtract. So here, since root 5 is irrational number, then whole things will be irrational number because root will not be removed from here. So it is an irrational right? And second one also I am showing. Second one is 3 plus root 23, put bracket, minus root 23. So by looking root 23, don't write it is irrational. First solve it, simplify it, and after that decide it is rational or irrational. So if we simplify 3 plus root 23 minus root 23. Then root 23 will be cancelled, then we'll get 3. So 3 is rational number, so these can be written as rational, right? So this was the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 we have to multiply. So 2 I am showing two questions you will solve by yourself. So question number 2 का first part is answer 2. First part 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. 2 plus root 2, right? If you want to multiply, you have to multiply like algebra. In class 8 you did multiplication of algebraic terms. Similarly here also you have to multiply. You have to use distributive law. What is distributive law? Here 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. So if you use distributive law, then multiply 3 with 2 plus root 2. Here plus sign, so plus sign you have to put. Then multiply root 3 with 2 plus root 2. This is called distributive law. Again use distributive law. 3 into 2. Distributive law means 3 will be multiplied with 2 also, and 3 will be multiplied with root 2 also. 3 into 2 is 6. And 3 into root 2 is 3 root 2. Because this is rational and this is irrational. So rational and irrational if you multiply, then rational will be as it is and irrational will be as it is. Then 3 root 2 will get. Then here root 3 into 2. So it will be 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 2. So how we can multiply? Both are different irrational number. Then it will be root over 3 into 2. 3 and 2 will be multiplied inside root. Now here all are different irrational number. So we can't add or simplify. One more steps I'll write for root over 3 into 2. 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. This will be our answer. Right? Write down. Now next question is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. I'm rubbing this. Second part I'll do. Okay. Now its second part is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Here you can use identity or distributive law. Anyone you can use. So a plus b into a minus b. If you can use a plus b into a minus b, it is better. Use identity. So a plus b into a minus b, we know that a plus b into a minus b. We know that it is a square minus b square. So using this property, we can write 3 square minus root 3 square. So 3 square is 9, root 3 is 3. So we are getting 6. So this was answer of question number 2. Question number 3 and 4 will do by yourself. And now I'm showing question number 5. Rationalizing denominator. From denominator we have to remove irrational numbers. So if single term, how we can do, and if two terms are given in denominator, then how we can do, that I'm showing. So answer 5. First question, it is 1 by root 7. We have to rationalize denominator. Numerator is 1, denominator is root 7. Root 7, just check. If you want to remove root 7, if you want to make here a rational number, then we have to multiply root 7, because root 7 into root 7 equals to 7. Then root will be removed. Rationalizing the denominator, it means we have to make rational number in denominator. So 1 by root 7, multiply root 7 with numerator and denominator both. So we'll get root 7, and root 7 into root 7 is 7. So now rationalized denominator. So this is our answer. One more question I am showing. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So we have to rationalize it. Now here two terms are given. How we can rationalize? We have to use identity, that is a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Because if we will square any square root term, then root will be removed. Clear? So here a minus b is given. So a plus b you have to multiply with numerator also and denominator also. So root 7 minus root 6, a minus b is given. So to make rational in denominator, a plus b, that means root 7 plus root 6 we have to multiply. If we multiply with denominator, you have to multiply with numerator also, root 7 plus root 6. Clear? Now numerator we are getting root 7 plus root 6, and denominator is a minus b into a plus b. If we multiply these two terms, then identity you can use, root 7 square minus root 6 square, a square minus b square. So numerator is root 7 plus root 6, and denominator root 7 square is 7 and root 6 square is 6. Now 7 minus 6 is 1, so we'll get root 7 plus root 6, and in denominator is 1, so no need to write 1. So our answer will be root 7 plus root 6. This was the answer of question number 5. Thank you everyone.